Hi everyone, welcome back to Connoisseur Corner, part of the Feldy Network. I am Marty Feldman, your host today. We are in happy hour again today. We're going to do a little bit of mixology today, which is always a wonderful thing, right? Happy hour, mixology, life is good. So we're going to do, this is actually, number one, this is a fairly new drink in the mixology world, and number two, this is 3 ingredients. This is really easy to pull this one together. If you have a reasonably stocked bar, you'll have all these ingredients on hand. So this is the Revolver. So the history on this one, early 2000s, probably 02 or 03, out of San Francisco, out of the Bay Area, a bartender by the name of Joe Santer worked at, he was a pretty well-known fellow, worked at a lot of different bars down there, and I believe this one kind of originated when he was at a place called Bourbon and Branch, which was a fairly well-known cocktail location down in the Bay Area. And that was kind of where this essentially originated from. The recipe here, again, fairly simple. We're going to do 2 ounces of the rye, and then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of the coffee liqueur. You can, again, Kahlua is what I have on hand. You can use a Tia Maria, works just fine. There's a few other brands out there. Most of the other brands outside of the Tia Maria, the Kahlua, to me, they can be way too sweet or just too overpowering. So I'd recommend sticking with one of these two. And then, of course, so 2 ounces, 1/2 ounce, and then 2 dashes of the orange bitter, which is kind of that tie-in for complexity, and ties that in back to the kind of what the Manhattan or that old-fashioned kind of that family. So easy to pull together. You can do this in a shaker. I'm going to do it in do a stir on it over the ice, and then typically you're going to do this one up. So you can do it in the coupe or in the martini glass as well. So there you have it. Sit back, relax. Let me walk you through the Revolver. Folks, there you have it. That's the Revolver, a beautiful thing. Again, nice and easy to build, but it's one delicious beverage. So appreciate you spending time with me. If you get a chance, again, hit the subscribe button down there in the corner. That'll keep you informed of the content that we get published from time to time up here on the Feldy Network. Cheers.